Welcome to the quick and easy installation of our QH1095 air inflation system. Before you begin, unpack the contents of the shipment and inventory the parts. Refer to the instruction sheet that's shipped with your system. The 48-inch jumper hose used in this video is sold separately. To begin, move to the inside of the greenhouse and install the blower motor and deflector. After selecting the desired location for your system, rotate the deflector to disconnect it from the blower bracket. Carefully slide the bracket between the cover film and the top of the rafter. Fasten the blower bracket to the rafter using the supplied Tek screws. To protect the greenhouse film, cover the Tek screws and bracket edges using customer supplied repair tape or heavy-duty duct tape. Once the blower bracket is attached to the rafter, place the blower motor over the bracket studs and secure in place using the supplied nuts. Be careful not to over-tighten the nuts. Doing so could strip or twist the studs loose from the bracket. From outside the greenhouse, cut an X in the inside of the first layer of cover film using a utility knife. Use the blower bracket as a guide. Insert the deflector bushing through the cover film and into the bracket and rotate to secure. Remember, the deflector bushing is installed between the two layers of cover film. If the outer layer of cover film is already installed, loosen the outer film layer and then install the deflector bushing through the inside layer of film and onto the blower bracket as shown earlier. Once the deflector is installed, you can reattach the outer layer of cover film. After installing the blower motor and deflector bushing, install the air regulator on the outside of the end wall. The following example shows how to attach the regulator to a greenhouse that has film end panel. First, determine and mark the regulator location on the end panel. Make sure that the hose you have reaches the blower motor to the regulator once it's installed. Next, carefully cut a hole through the end wall film and attach the hose to the air regulator. An assistant may be needed to complete this step. Simply insert the end cap into the air regulator and rotate to lock in place. Move inside the greenhouse and connect the free end of the hose to the blower motor. Finally, contact a qualified electrician to properly connect the blower motor to power. If the greenhouse includes a solid end wall and you want to install the regulator, follow the steps in this example. After you have determined the regulator position on the end wall, use the regulator as a template and mark the location on the end panel surface. Carefully cut a mounting hole in the end panel using a utility knife or other cutting tool. Next, detach the end cap from the hose and attach it to the air regulator. From outside the greenhouse, insert the air regulator and end cap assembly into the mounting hole and hold in place. From inside the greenhouse, have an assistant attach one end of the hose to the regulator assembly. Secure the regulator assembly to the end wall using customer supplied fasteners. In this example, Tek screws and washers are used. Do not over-tighten the fasteners. Next, connect the free end of the hose to the blower motor. Finally, contact a qualified electrician to properly connect the blower motor to power. Enjoy your new air inflation system, and if you have any questions or concerns, please contact customer service at 1-800-245-9881.